Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Quinn, and today we're creating this creepy SFX illusion. Everything looks completely normal, except for one little detail: a smile. Once the base is applied, it's time to hide what's really underneath. I begin mapping out the shadows to create depth beneath the skin. Different shades of red helped create the illusion of exposed flesh. Next, I'm taking a white sponge and sticking it down with eyelash glue. This will give the effect its texture. A little fake blood instantly brings everything to life. Or maybe the opposite. The tape is the secret. It lets me remove the entire layer in one smooth reveal. Liquid latex blends the edges and helps everything become one piece. Then I color match everything so the illusion disappears, until the smile returns.